Hello again. So first, I was really excited to see all the interaction on the social media, be it LinkedIn, be it Facebook, about the colors and personalities and characters and the way that they're dealing with the confinement of the corona. And I received a lot of questions, actually, very interesting questions about the whole discussion. And I thought about organizing the topics or the questions that I received in several videos, small videos. So for today or for now, I chose to talk about the question about, so I am a rainbow, meaning I'm a red and a yellow and a green, can it be? And my answer to that is that we are all a combination of four colors. We are not only one color or the other. So a lot of comments said, okay, so I am red, I am blue, which is correct. But to say it in the right way is like the color blue is dominant in my personality, or the color red is dominant in my personality. And the truth is that all of us have four colors in our character. But it's from most dominant to least dominant. To visualize it, I prepared a couple of cards. For example, this person is called a blue energy person, while you see that he or she has other colors as well, but dominantly there is the blue, and then the red, and then the green, and then the yellow on equal basis. But this is not the only way to see it. We see it in a different way. This person is a green energy person. So green, and then blue, and then yellow, and then red in different dominance. This person is a yellow energy person, so mostly yellow, but then green and blue, they come in equal parts. Okay, and then blue is very, very, very low. Now, does that mean that this person, when the blue is pretty low, does it mean that this person is not logical? Absolutely not. Does it mean that he cannot or she cannot really work in a logical work or think rationally or absolutely not. It's just that it doesn't come natural to them. Okay, so they have to make a little bit more effort or learn a skill that doesn't come naturally to them. Okay, so remember, we are a combination of four colors. Yesterday, I had a lot of comments about, okay, I am red and blue, and now I would love to see comments from you, from all of you, just being more self-aware about yourself. So say, for example, that, okay, now after I know about this concept, I'm mainly yellow, and then red, and then green, and blue is like I never use it, or I very, very, very rarely use it. Okay? More to come. So a lot of other subjects I'm going to talk about coming from your questions. Questions like, actually, is it natural or nurtured? So do we actually change? That's a very nice subject to talk about. Another one that is very fun to talk about is good day, bad day. So definitely do not use the color discussion to judge others, because you know what? For every color, there is a bad day and there is a good day. For every color of them. Another one is, why do some colors are neighboring and some other colors are opposite? You still don't know which neighboring, which opposite. I'm going to explain that in a different video. And then another topic is, how do we adapt and how do we influence other colors? Very nice topics. We're gonna talk about them bit by bit, because I don't want to have a long video. I just want to have bits and pieces because it's more fun, it's more engaging. Okay? Have a great day and see you in a later video.